Alright guys, and this is the video on tiered link building, and this is your guide to understanding building tiered links. So tiered linking is building backlinks to backlinks, and what you're trying to do is you're trying to build the authority around your second tier backlinks that builds authority to your first tier backlinks that builds authority to your website. So if you think of it as the link juice that we have and how it flows to the site, think of us trying to amp up and ramp up those links that we're building from to the site. Now, there's three types of links. You got the tier 1 that points directly to your site. Those are the trusted backlinks. Then you have your tier 2. Now, these are the ones that point to your link 1, and they're semi-quality. So this could be, you know, like we create new Gmails, and then with those Gmails we create a new Gmail site, and that Gmail site points to your other Google site, which points directly to your website, your local site, right? And then you have your third tier, which points to the second tier, and this is where we take a bunch of spam and throw it at those tier 2 links to build up the authority on those links. And hopefully what we're going for is that we're trying to essentially wash these backlinks through to our site, right? So if we have all this GSA or the spammy backlinks going to a link shortener, and that link shortener points to a Facebook page, and that Facebook page points to the client site, hopefully that Facebook page that we're pointing to, the page authority is going to shoot up on it. So let's look at some examples. So the tiered link examples, now 1 and 2 are the same because essentially they are. It's just how you point them to each other, right? So like your tier 1 would point directly to the website. Your tier 2 would point to tier 1 that points to the website, and tier 3 would just blast tier 2, which will hopefully wash these links going into tier 1 to build up the authority here, which then passes authority to here, which passes authority to our site. So here's a diagram example of where we've got our tier 3 here pointing to our tier 2s, tier 2s pointing to the tier 1 pointing to the website. Quality, semi-quality, garbage. This is where you get in trouble. This stuff's all fine. This is essentially the white hat way of doing it anyway, but when you throw this tier 3 on there, that's where you get in trouble. So I want to show you guys though an example of a way to do it. So here's Twitter, and what I did is that I posted 2 posts to create this page where it has a hashtag Chomp Orthodontics West Hills. So this isn't on our primary Twitter page, so what we're doing is we're going to wash it through this page, and we use this hashtag to create this unique page that has links to our braces and has links to our adult braces. So one of the goals is that we're going to increase the page authority on these 2 by doing it this way. And then what we did, we create a bit.ly backlink to this Twitter page. Okay, so this is the tier 1 is this. We're using bit.ly this time as our tier 2. And then what we're doing is we're going to copy that or save it. Copy, close, got it here, copy. What we're going to do now on Fiverr, just go to GSA. It's just spammy backlinks. And I'm going to find the most that I can get. 700,000 for $10. Looking for something that's $5. Here we go. 500,000. Just junk. It's just junk we're pushing to this. Now, I'll do the basic. 500,000. Proceed to payment. Place my order. We're going to choose medical and dental. We're just going to put one URL, 1 to 100 keywords. So we just want other keywords. So we could keywords. You click here, see more, view more, check out, naked URL, and that's it. So what's going to happen is that this is going to send links to Bitly, which sends it to sends it to Twitter, which sends it to our site. Now, there's nothing. So hopefully that makes sense. That's a shortened version of tiered link building, but it's definitely something that could get you in trouble. And doing it right, just follow those rules that I had laid out, and then be careful. Be careful. And that's how I use tiered link building.